On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make money on Clickbank as a complete beginner without any skills, without any experience, and without investing any money. The method that I'm about to show you, I have tried it and I made $345 in a single day. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create a Clickbank account. If you don't know how to create a Clickbank account, I'm going to leave a link in the description for you so that you can watch my video about how to create a Clickbank account. So now once you create your account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace, so that you can find products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. You can see right here, these are categories of products that you can promote on Clickbank. On Clickbank, you can promote digital products in any of these categories that you want. You can see a whole lot of different categories. If you want, you can click right here all, so that you can see all the categories of digital products that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see many of them. You can see a whole lot of them. What we are going to be doing in this video is that we are going to be promoting a digital product under the health and fitness. So you can see it right here. Just click on health and fitness. Once you click on health and fitness, you are going to see a page like this. So when you scroll down, you can see this is a digital product that you can promote, Alpine Lean. It is a weight loss product. When you promote it, this is the commission that you are going to earn per every sale that you get, $135.61. You can see it right here. When you are promoting Clickbank products, you have to always check the gravity score. The gravity score tells us about the number of people who promoted the product and then made a commission. So you can see this product right here, the gravity score is very high. So it means a lot of different affiliates are making money promoting this product. When you scroll down, you can see there's another one right here, I Carrier Juice. This product, the gravity score is also high, which means a lot of affiliates are also making money promoting this product. You can see the commission rate is $135.41. That is the amount that you are going to earn per sale. As I scroll, you can see Live Pure. This product also has a high gravity, and you can see the commission rate is very high, $149.43 per every sale that you get. There are many of them. As I scroll, you can see there are a lot of different digital products and the health and fitness that you can promote to earn money. You can see many of them. As I scroll, you can see many of them. If you don't want any of these, you can scroll down to the bottom, click on page 2 so that you can find other digital products that you want. You can see there are up to 74 different pages. So there are a lot of different products that you can promote. But one thing that you should take note of is the gravity score. Don't go and promote a product that has a gravity score of 20 or less, because those products, the likelihood of you getting a sale is very low. So you have to promote products with high gravity. In this case, what you are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this product right here, I Carrier Juice. To promote the product, you can click right here, promote, so that you can get your affiliate link. But before you get your affiliate link, you have to look at the product landing page so that you can get some basic information about it before you promote it. But if you have been promoting it, no problem. If you are new to the product, you must look at the landing page first before you promote it. In this case, I'm going to click on it for you to see. So just click on the name of the offer, I Carrier Juice. Once you click on the name of the offer, you can see this is the landing page. This is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see before they purchase the product. You can see a whole lot of different information about the product. They are telling us about the ingredients that they use to create the product. You can see different things that they've used to make the product. You can see a whole lot of them. When you scroll down, you can see they have bonuses that they are going to give to any customer who purchases the product. And the best part is that it is free shipping. So when you purchase the product, they are going to ship it to your location for free, especially the United States. When you scroll down, you can see a lot of bonuses. You can see testimonials. These people have purchased the product and it's very helpful to them. So when our potential visitors see these testimonials, they are going to purchase the product because it has been tested. It has a social proof. They have a money back guarantee. You can see it right here. So if our customers buy the product and it's not helping them, they can seek for a refund. You can see a whole lot of different information. As I scroll, you can see they have different packages that our customers can buy. You can see if our customers want 30 days supply, they are going to be paying $69 per bottle. If they want 90 days supply, they are going to be paying $59 per bottle, and they are entitled to 3 bonuses. You can see it right here, and then free shipping. You can see the third one, if our customers want 180 days supply, they are going to be paying $39 per bottle, and they are entitled to 3 free bonuses and then free shipping. You can see it right here. So any of these packages that our customers purchase, we are still going to be earning a commission. So now once we get to know more about the product, the next step is that we are going to promote it. To promote it, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, promote. Once you click on promote, you are going to click on create hop link. Once you click on create hop link, you can see this is your affiliate link. So anytime you get people to purchase the product through this link, you are going to be earning a commission on Clickbank. So now what we have to do is that we have to find a traffic source whereby we can get people to click on this link and then purchase the product for us to make money. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to use a simple trick so that we can promote the product without paying for anything. So what you have to do is that you have to search for Replug. Just search for it. Once you search for it, you can see it right here, replug.io. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. This website allows you to use popular websites to promote your affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can use other websites to promote your affiliate link. You can register for free so that you can try the website for 2 weeks before you pay for the premium version. You don't need to enter any credit card information. So what we are going to do is that we are going to create an account. So just click right here, register for free. Once you click on register for free, you can sign up with your Twitter accounts. You can also sign up with your Facebook accounts. If you don't want that, you can enter your first name, last name, enter your email address, enter your password, and then create a free account. You don't need to enter any credit card information. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to create a campaign. So just come right here, click on manage. Once you click on it, you can see the different things that you can do. You can see brands, campaigns, replug links. We are going to go through all of these three so that you understand everything. So the first one is to create a brand. So just click on brands so that you can create one. Once you click on brands, you can see new brand. So just click on it so that you can create a new one. Once you click on it, you can see enter your company name, product, or personal name. So we are going to enter the name of the product right here. So just come back on Clickbank. Once you come back on Clickbank, you can see the name of the product is I Carrier Juice. So just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. Once that is done, you can see enter your website or social profile link. This is where we are going to paste our affiliate link. So you have to come back on Clickbank. Once you come back on Clickbank, copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to click on save. It has been saved. Now we have a brand. The next step is that you are going to create a campaign. So just click on create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you are going to click on new campaign. Once you click on new campaign, you can see select your brand. So you are going to select the brand that you created. Just select your brand right here. Once you select it, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you can see URL shortener, retargeting pixels, call to action. You can see third party or custom widgets. If you want any of them, you can select. In this case, we are going to select call to action. Once you click on call to action, you can see this is how your affiliate link is going to appear to people who are going to visit the popular website that you are going to be using. So you can see the first one is your campaign name, and you can see the message. So just enter your campaign name right here. Just enter any name. So you can see weight loss. Just say weight loss. Once you type the name of your campaign, you can enter a custom domain. If you pay for the premium version, you can select a custom domain, but in this case we are not paying, so just leave it. Once that is done, we are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you can see button, link, and form. So you can see right here social. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see social classic, social modern, banner, exit intent, pop-up, scroll box, bridge page. So any of them that you want, you can select. If you want the exit intent, you can select. The banner, you can select. You can see social modern. You can see this is how it is going to appear. When you select social classic, this is how it is going to appear. In this case, we are going to be using the social classic, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to upload an image. The image is going to appear right here. The image here is your profile image, so you can download any diet image and then upload it right here. You can just come on Google and then search for diet. Once you search for it, select images and then download any of these images. Once you have your image, you are going to click right here, upload image, so that you can upload your image. Just select it, click open so that it can be uploaded. As you can see, this is the image. It makes it look more professional. Once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you can see the headline and you can see the message. The headline, we are going to enter the name of the product. So you can come back on the landing page, right click, and then copy the name of the product. Once that is done, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to type your message here. So you are going to type something like lose weight fast without exercise or dieting. Once that is done, the call to action, you are going to type a simple text right here. So you are going to delete this and then type your call to action. So you can type something like click here to learn more, something like this. Once that is done, you can see button URL or phone number for click to call. So we are going to paste our affiliate link right here. So you have to come back on Clickbank. Once you come back, click on copy so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you paste it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So anytime people click right here to learn more, they are going to be directed to the product through our affiliate link. So just click on next. Once you click on next, you can select the background color. If you want this color, you can change it. You can change the text color, you can change the button color, anything that you want, you can change. You can see a whole lot of them. If you don't want any pop-up sound, you are going to click on no. In this case, you are going to leave it like this. If you want this button to appear right here, you can select that. If you want it to be here, you can select that. So you can change the position right here. Just click on it and then select the position. If you want it to appear here, you can do that. If you want it to be here, you can do that. In this case, I think here is okay. Once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you can see the time. So you are going to select the time duration that you want your potential visitors to see your call to action when they visit the website that we are going to be using. So in this case, I'm going to leave it with 5 seconds. If you want, you can reduce it or you can increase it. It depends on what you want. If you don't want this, you can also select exit intent. Once you select that, anytime our potential visitors try to exit the website that we are going to be using, they'll see this pop-up call to action. But in this case, we are not going to use that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to click on save campaign. Once you click on save campaign, your campaign has been created. The next thing is that you are going to come back on manage and then select replug links. Once you select replug links, you are going to click right here, new link. Once you select new link, you can see select your campaign. Click on it and then select the campaign that we created, this campaign right here. Once you select your campaign, you can see URL, link which you want to shorten and optimize. So you are going to search for a website that has information related to the product that you are promoting. The best way is that you are going to come on Google and then search for Google News. Once you search for it, you are going to click on the first website right here, Google News. Once you click on Google News, you can see trending news on Google. You can see these are news that people like reading a lot. You can see a whole lot of them. And they have been put into categories. You can see those that are based in the United States, the worldwide, local, that is your area. You can see business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. In this case, our product is about health, so just click on health. Once you click on health, you can see these are the latest news under health. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want, you can select any of these subcategories of health so that you can find the latest news. In this case, we are going to be using nutrition, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see latest news about nutrient. As you can see different news, you can see a whole lot of them. So any of these news that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to be using this title right here, all calories are not created equally when it comes to weight loss. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the article. As you can see the information in the article. So just highlight and copy the URL of the article. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. As you can see, this is the link, so you are going to wait for it whether they will pick it or not. The first article did not work, so I have changed a new one. You can see it right here. So when you paste your link here and it does not mark, you have to change a new article. So I have changed and I'm using this website. You can see it is still about health. As you can see, this is the article. Once your link is working, you can see the article will appear right here. So as you can see the articles. So anytime people read this article, this call to action is going to pop up within 5 seconds. You can see there are many options. You can see a whole lot of them. Just ignore everything. If you want, you can preview it right here. In this case, I'm not going to preview it. So once you have your link, the next step is that you are going to click right here, save link. Once you click on save link, you can see your link right here. So this is the link that you are going to promote so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link. So let me just copy it. Once you copy it, let's test it on a new tab so that you can see how it will appear. Let me just paste it right here and then test it for you to see. As you can see, this is the article. You can see this is the article. So as our readers read, you can see the pop-up message will appear right here. You can see it. So when they click on the call to action, they are going to be directed to our affiliate link. You can see this is the article. They can click right here, go to certain URLs. So now the next step is that we are going to promote this link so that we can get people to click on it and then see our call to action so that they can click through and then buy the product. So the next step is that you are going to promote your link using social media. One of them is Facebook. On Facebook, you can find different groups that talks about health. Once you find the groups, you are going to join and then promote your link so that you can get people to read the article and then click on your affiliate link. As you can see, I've joined several groups. You can see this one, fitness and weight loss tips, and then there are many others that I've joined. If I click on see all groups, you can see I've joined a lot of different groups that I'm using this method to promote my link. You can see a whole lot of them. So what we are going to do is that you have to search for groups so that you can join and then promote your link on Facebook. You can just search for something like weight loss. Just search for weight loss so that you can find weight loss groups. Once you search for weight loss, you can see there are many weight loss groups that you can join. You can see this group, it has 100,000 members. This group has over 200,000 members. This one has 54,000 members. So there are many of them that you can join to promote your link. For example, you can see I'm a member of this group. If you want, you can click right here, join, so that you can join the group. Join so that you can join the group. I'm a member of this group, so I'm going to use it to demonstrate for you to see. So you just click on the group. Once you open the group, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to create a post. To create a post, you are going to click right here, write something. So just click on it. Once you click on write something, you can see create post. So now what you have to do is that you have to write some text and then call the people to click on your link so that they can read the news and then click on your affiliate link. As you can see, this is my text. If you want, you can pause the video and then copy this exact text. You can see once you have your text like this, you can see right here, you have to enter your website link right here. You can see insert website link. So you are going to copy and paste your link right here. So just come back on your link and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. Just paste your link. So you are going to paste your link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Your link has been pasted right here. Once you have your link, you can see this is the article. You can see this is it. So now what you have to do is that you have to post your link so that you can get the members to click through and then read the article. Once they read it, some of them are going to click on your call to action so that they can visit your product landing page before they purchase it. Once you have everything in place, the next step is that you are going to click right here, post. Once you click on post, they are going to ask you to answer certain questions. You can see you have to select some of them. So just click right here, weight loss support. Once you select that, you are going to scroll down. Make sure you click yes. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down and then select another one, yes, and then click right here, I agree to the group's rule. Check this box. Once that is done, you are going to submit your post so that it can go live onto the group. You can see the post has been submitted. You can see it right here. Thanks for sharing your post. It is pending for admin's approval. You can see it right here. So when the administrator approves it, you are going to be getting traffic to your affiliate link. You don't have to do this with one group. You have to keep on posting to other groups so that you can get many people to click on it and then purchase the product. Apart from Facebook, you can also come on Reddit. On Reddit, you can find different subreddits about weight loss. You can see there are a lot of them with many followers. So you have to join these subreddits and then post your links so that you can get a lot of traffic to your affiliate link. You have to keep on doing it every day so that you can get traffic.